Hey guys, this is Akansha and welcome to Tech Masterni. In our previous session, we have covered defects. In our today's session, we will understand what is guttering. So, as I've told you before, that impurity should not present in our device. So, let us understand what happens when the impurities are present in our device. To understand this better, we'll take an example of NAND flash memory cell. So this is our NAND flash memory cell. It has a floating gate. Why floating? Because the gate is floating in between two SiO2 layer. That is why we call it as a floating gate. So let's understand how memory will work. To store one in this particular memory, the gate voltage should be greater than the threshold voltage. So, when the gate voltage is greater than threshold voltage, large amount of electron will attracted to gate voltage and the accumulation of electron will happen in the floating gate. And when there is a large accumulation of electron, we will consider it as a storing one. On the other hand, when the gate voltage is lower than the threshold voltage, when the gate voltage is lower than the threshold voltage, less amount of electron will try to reach at the gate and the less amount of electron will accumulate in the floating gate and we will consider it as a zero storing. So, let's understand what happen if there is a storage of 1, that means there is a large number of electrons in the gate and we have our impurities in the wafer. So we have impurity of positive ions in the wafer. So when the impurity is present in the surface area, it will attract the electron from the gate and there is a less number of electron remain in this particular floating gate. So because of less number of electron present in this particular floating gate, instead of considering it as a 1, it will considered as a 0. So now this performance will going to be deteriorate due to the positive ion impurity present in the wafer. So this is how impurity will affect the device performance. So to solve this problem, we use guttering. Guttering means attracting impurity. So it is a phenomena in which impurities are attracted by the defect. So the impurity of positive ions will attracted by dislocation side. So the impurity will remove and the guttering will perform its purpose. So let's understand here. If we will create dislocation here, the positive ion which is going to the surface and attracting electron will not go to surface, it will attracted by dislocation and the removal of electron from this particular area will not going to happen and all the positive impurity will stuck to the dislocation site. So now our problem has solved here. So it is very important that our guttering center should not present in the active region. It should always be present in a non-active region. So now there are two type of guttering. First one is intrinsic guttering. Second one is extrinsic guttering. So let's understand what is intrinsic guttering. Intrinsic guttering is due to the impurities which is present inside the crystal. So if you remember in our CZ process, due to the reaction of crucible with the melt, we have created some oxygen impurity. When these oxygen impurity will accumulate in one particular region of the crystal, like you see in the diagram here, it will work as a guttering center. So here the guttering center is present. Due to this guttering center, there is a broken bond of silicons. So these broken bond of silicons are dangling bonds and these dangling bond will create a bond with the impurities. So it will create bond with impurities and attract impurity and solve the problem here. So this is how intrinsic guttering will work here. So now let's understand what are the intrinsic guttering center problem. So let's understand here. When the electric field is applied, then the oxygen bond will break first and it will create electron. And these electron will strike to the silicon atom and it will break these bonds and create more electron. And due to more electron in the wafer, there is a large amount of leakage current, and also due to the large amount of electron there is a lowering of breakdown voltage, so we need to apply less voltage for the breakdown. So this is why our leakage current increase and our breakdown voltage decrease, and so it is not going to be used much. So let's understand another type of guttering, which is extrinsic guttering. So it is created during the wafer thinning process. To understand it better, we need to understand that we always want our silicon wafer to be as thin as possible. Let's suppose we have this wafer which is of large thickness and we have large amount of intrinsic guttering center here. But for our practical use, we need very thin wafer. So let's suppose we apply stress on this wafer and we provide the grinding of the wafer, and the thickness of the wafer is reduced to this much only. Now we have less amount of intrinsic guttering center. So our guttering center has reduced, so the problem has arisen. But during the grinding process, we have very rough surface. This rough surface will work as extrinsic guttering center here. So now problem has solved due to the rough surface. But again, there is a problem. We always want our surface to be as smooth as possible for the high strength of wafer. So we do polishing of this wafer and provide the smoothness. So again our extrinsic guttering size has removed and again the problem has arisen. To solve this problem, we come up with the intermediate solution, which is called dry polishing. In dry polishing, we do not totally smooth out our surface. We, instead of totally smoothen out, we provide very less amount of smoothing. So in this way, our extrinsic guttering center will present, also our intrinsic center will present, and also our wafer will be strengthened enough. One more procedure is there by providing radiation to the silicon wafer to create extrinsic guttering site. So this is all about the guttering, and I hope you have understood how defect will work as a good phenomena for wafer processing. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.